Hello friends, welcome to the book summary. In this video, we will see the detailed book summary of Believe in Yourself written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Before entering the book summary, kindly like the video and subscribe to our channel. Book's link is given in the description. You can buy it from Amazon. Let's start. Introduction. Believe in Yourself is a self-help book written by Dr. Joseph Murphy, published in 1955. The book is focused on helping readers to develop their self-confidence and improve their lives by developing a positive mental attitude. Dr. Murphy begins by explaining the importance of having a strong belief in oneself, and how this belief can have a profound impact on one's success and happiness. He argues that we are all capable of achieving our goals and dreams if we have faith in ourselves and our abilities. The author then provides readers with practical techniques and strategies for developing self-confidence and positive thinking. He discusses the power of affirmations, visualization, and the use of the subconscious mind to achieve success. He emphasizes the importance of taking action and not letting fear or doubt hold you back. Throughout the book, Dr. Murphy uses real-life examples to illustrate his points, drawing on the experiences of successful individuals who have overcome obstacles and achieved their goals through a belief in themselves. In addition to discussing personal success, the book also addresses the importance of developing positive relationships with others, and how this can contribute to one's overall happiness and success. Overall, Believe in Yourself is a motivational and practical guide for anyone looking to improve their self-confidence and achieve their goals. The book emphasizes the power of positive thinking and the importance of taking action to make your dreams a reality. Chapter 1: Make Your Dream Come True. Chapter 1 of Believe in Yourself is titled Make Your Dream Come True. In this chapter, Dr. Joseph Murphy emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision of what you want to achieve in life and developing a strong desire to make it a reality. The author begins by discussing the power of the imagination and how it can be used to create a mental image of your desired outcome. He explains that by visualizing your goal and feeling the emotions associated with achieving it, you can activate your subconscious mind and attract the necessary resources to make your dream a reality. Dr. Murphy also emphasizes the importance of developing a burning desire to achieve your goal. He explains that this desire must be so strong that it motivates you to take action and overcome any obstacles that may arise along the way. To illustrate his point, the author provides several examples of successful individuals who have achieved their goals through the power of their imagination and desire. He also discusses the importance of taking action and making a plan to achieve your goal. The chapter concludes with a discussion of the importance of faith and persistence in achieving your dreams. Dr. Murphy explains that by maintaining a positive attitude and having faith in yourself and your abilities, you can overcome any challenges and ultimately achieve your desired outcome. Overall, Chapter 1 of Believe in Yourself serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of having a clear vision, strong desire, and unwavering faith in achieving your goals. It provides practical advice for using the power of the imagination and taking action to make your dreams a reality. Chapter 2: Using the Subconscious Mind in Business. Chapter 2 of Believe in Yourself is titled Using the Subconscious Mind in Business. In this chapter, Dr. Joseph Murphy discusses the power of the subconscious mind and how it can be used to achieve success in business. The author begins by explaining that the subconscious mind is the seat of our emotions, habits, and beliefs. He argues that by harnessing the power of the subconscious mind, we can overcome negative thoughts and beliefs that may be holding us back from achieving success in business. Dr. Murphy provides several examples of successful individuals who have used the power of their subconscious mind to achieve success in business. He also provides practical techniques for tapping into the subconscious mind, such as positive affirmations, visualization, and meditation. The chapter also discusses the importance of setting clear and specific goals in business. Dr. Murphy explains that by setting a specific goal and focusing your subconscious mind on it, you can attract the necessary resources and opportunities to achieve success. The author also emphasizes the importance of taking action and making a plan to achieve your business goals. He argues that by taking small, consistent steps towards your goal, you can build momentum and achieve even greater success over time. The chapter concludes with a discussion of the importance of maintaining a positive attitude and having faith in your abilities. Dr. Murphy explains that by maintaining a positive attitude and visualizing yourself achieving success, you can overcome any obstacles and achieve your desired outcome. Overall, Chapter 2 of Believe in Yourself serves as a practical guide for using the power of the subconscious mind to achieve success in business. It provides practical techniques and strategies for overcoming negative beliefs and taking action towards your goals, while also emphasizing the importance of maintaining a positive attitude and having faith in your abilities. Chapter 3: How to Imagine Success. Chapter 3 of Believe in Yourself is titled How to Imagine Success. In this chapter, Dr. Joseph Murphy discusses the power of imagination and how it can be used to achieve success in all areas of life. The author begins by explaining that the imagination is a powerful tool that can be used to create a mental image of your desired outcome. He argues that by visualizing yourself achieving success and feeling the emotions associated with that success, you can activate your subconscious mind and attract the necessary resources to make it a reality. Dr. Murphy provides several examples of successful individuals who have used the power of their imagination to achieve success in various fields. He also provides practical techniques for developing the imagination, such as visualization, positive affirmations, and creative visualization. The chapter also discusses the importance of using the imagination to overcome negative beliefs and limiting thoughts. Dr. Murphy explains that by visualizing yourself overcoming obstacles and achieving success, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and change your beliefs about what is possible. The author also emphasizes the importance of taking action and making a plan to achieve your goals. He argues that by taking small, consistent steps towards your goal and visualizing yourself achieving success, you can build momentum and achieve even greater success over time. The chapter concludes with a discussion of the importance of maintaining a positive attitude and having faith in your abilities. Dr. Murphy explains that by maintaining a positive attitude and visualizing yourself achieving success, you can overcome any obstacles and achieve your desired outcome. Overall, Chapter 3 of Believe in Yourself serves as a practical guide for using the power of the imagination to achieve success in all areas of life. It provides practical techniques and strategies for developing the imagination and overcoming negative beliefs, while also emphasizing the importance of taking action and maintaining a positive attitude. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Books link is given in the description. You can buy it from Amazon. The Financial Freedom is the book written by me. In this book, I explained the pillars of personal finance and step-by-step guide to achieve the financial freedom. In this book, I have explained how rich get richer and poor get poorer with examples. Also, I have explained how much money required to achieve financial freedom using 4% rule. This book's link is given in the description. You can buy the book using that link.